Hi there, students. To endorse. To endorse means to support officially, to back publicly, to give approval to. So the unions have endorsed the actions of the new Labour Prime Minister. They've officially given the seal of approval to it. So to endorse has the idea of to approve, but to do it officially and publicly. The government has endorsed the proposal made by the opposition. It's backed it. Or maybe the opposition has endorsed the action of the government. Okay, so it's like officially saying, publishing so that everybody knows that you are in support of this. Let's see, could you use it, I endorse what you've done? You could. It sounds terribly, terribly formal. And I think I agree with what you've done would sound much better. The company endorses the decisions made by the sales department. Yes, that works. It sounds very formal, but has more the idea of endorse. Now, also, personalities can endorse a product, meaning they support this product, particularly in an advertisement. So you may see an advertisement of a sportsman endorsing the use of a specific type of trainer or sports shoe. And then the sports person gets paid lots and lots of money for it. Yeah? So a personality can endorse a product. I use this product. You've seen products with the Queen's coat of arms officially appointed to Her Majesty the Queen. Well, that is an endorsement. That is the saying that the Queen uses this and she endorses its use effectively. Okay, to endorse. You could endorse a cheque. Yeah, I'm not sure many of you actually use cheques nowadays, but I come from the prehistoric time of write out a cheque. To endorse a cheque is to sign the back of it, making it payable to someone else. So you're endorsing it, you're signing it, saying, I authorise that this cheque is paid to John Soames. And then to endorse, to transfer a right or something by signing the back of a document saying, I transfer it. You could probably endorse a bill as well to say that it's paid. So he paid the bill and I endorsed it. I wrote my signature, paid with thanks. That's to endorse. I guess you could also write a qualification saying, wait, there are one or two conditions with this, and write that and sign it on the back. So your signature is like your endorsement. It's you giving official approval to. Now, notice as well, in the UK, an endorsement, if you get caught driving too fast in your car, then you will get an endorsement on your licence. They will take points away from your licence. In the prehistoric past, if you got 3 endorsements in a period of, I think, 3 years, I can't remember however many, then they would take your licence away. But he got his licence endorsed for speeding. They took points off his licence. So it's like there's a note, this is a bad boy, written on your license. Okay, so notice endorse, endorsement, this is really quite formal. I give this 7, 7.5, 8 informality. It comes from Latin, dorsum, which means the back. Notice a fish has a dorsal fin. So, N, I think you're writing on the back, you're guaranteeing it, or saying that this is true on the back. So let's try a few examples. The court endorsed the judge's decision. The board of directors endorsed the borrowing of more money. The company endorsed the use of more personal protective equipment. Do you think you could endorse this check on the back? If you get caught for speeding, you will get your license endorsed. This personality endorses many different products. If they pay him enough, he'll endorse any product for you. Well, that's work, isn't it? So, endorse. So, I'm really happy for all the endorsements I get from you when you comment on it, and I guess those are endorsements of the quality of the work I do. So, to endorse, to support, to back, to give approval officially, and more generally a body, a group, an organisation gives its endorsement. A sports personality can endorse a product. You could endorse a check or a document on the back, and then you could get an endorsement for bad driving, reckless driving. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, endorse it all over the internet if you would, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Endorse.